So today on March 13th, 2012, we're at Cow House Range. Funny enough, there's cows on our range.
Yeah.
We're going out here to go take some off.
Yeah, moo cow! Looks like somebody already chased them out here.
It's pretty muddy right there. Just don't stop.
Just don't stop?
Yeah.
Don't stop. I don't want to get stuck, dude. Just don't stop.
Just don't stop.
That's a big ass hole.
Good thing I'm in a soft
Skin on beach.
skin on beach.
Yeah!
Hey, get out of the way, you fat ass! Go that way! Move, cow, move! There you go.
Yeah!
There you go in front.
You gotta get the pack leader.
That way! That way!
No, no! Get out! Get out and go behind them! Yeah! Cow! I'm hurting! Wait for me! Wait for me! You forgot me! I'm coming! Woo, cows! Woo! Yeah! It's angry! I'm filming it. I'm exhausted!
Yeah, hurry up! Get your butt off. Stop.
Yeah!
Act like you ran the whole way. Yeah, right? That's how you take care of cows on Cow House Range.